Welcome. If you're a Telegram group owner and want to start posting stories directly from Telegram web on your PC, you're in the right place. With the latest update, Telegram now makes it easier than ever for group owners to share stories and keep their communities engaged. Here's a simple step-by-step guide to enable this feature and get your group ready to post stories. First, open Telegram web on your PC and log into your account. Make sure you're using the latest version to access all the newest features. Next, navigate to the group where you're the owner. You'll find your groups listed on the left side of the screen. Click on the group you managed to open the chat window. Now, look at the top of the chat window and click on the name of your group. This will open the group's profile and settings page. Here, you'll see an edit icon, usually represented by a pencil or similar symbol. Click on this edit icon to enter the group management settings. Inside the settings menu, find and select the administrators section. This is where you can manage all the admins and their permissions. In the list of administrators, find your own profile. It should be labeled as owner. Click on your name to open the permissions menu for the group owner. Here's the key step. Look for the option labeled Post Stories. You'll see a toggle switch or checkbox next to it. Enable this option to allow the group owner, that's you, to post stories directly to the group. Once you've enabled it, don't forget to click Save to apply the changes. That's it. You've now set up your group so the owner can post stories on Telegram web. With this feature, you can share updates, photos, and videos that disappear after a set time, keeping your group lively and interactive. Remember, stories are a fantastic way to connect with your members in real time. So go ahead, create your first story, and let your community know what's new. Thanks for watching, and enjoy sharing your stories on Telegram.